Imagine being able to create an entire video, a digital artwork, or even a business idea in just a few minutes without hiring a team or learning complicated software. What if I told you that right now, there are tools that can turn your imagination into real images, voices, videos, and even products instantly? These AI tools are the reason some people are getting ahead faster, working smarter, and creating things that once took professionals weeks to build. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just curious about technology, these are the tools that can give you a real advantage in 2025 and beyond. So stay with me till the end, because by the time you finish watching, you'll know exactly which tools to use, how to use them, and how they can change your life starting today. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. It's reshaping art, business, and creativity faster than anything before. Every image you see online, every viral video, every smart ad that feels personal, chances are AI is behind it. And the best part is, you don't need to be a programmer or a tech genius to use it. You just need to know which tools to use and how to ask the right questions. Today, I'll show you 5 of the most powerful and beginner-friendly generative AI tools you can start using right now. They're designed for normal people, but they're capable of professional-level results. Let's explore what they are, and then I'll show you how to actually use each one to make your ideas come alive. ChatGPT, OpenAI. The first tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Think of it like having an expert sitting next to you 24/7, ready to help you with anything you can think of, writing, brainstorming, explaining, or even coding. When you visit OpenAI.com, you'll find a simple chat box. You type your question, and the AI responds instantly in natural language. But ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a full creative partner. People use it to write YouTube scripts, generate business ideas, compose emails, and even learn new skills. The latest model, GPT-4 Turbo, understands context, tone, and even your style. If you ask it to write a product description, it can sound formal and professional. If you ask for a funny TikTok caption, it can instantly switch tones. Using it is simple. You type a detailed prompt, something like, write a 2-minute script for a video about the best AI tools in 2025, make it sound friendly and professional. Within seconds, it gives you a full draft. You can say, make it shorter, add excitement, or sound more American, and it adjusts perfectly. The more you use it, the better your results get. The benefit is massive. It saves time, boosts creativity, and helps anyone create content that looks professional without spending a dime. For students, entrepreneurs, and creators, ChatGPT is like a digital mentor that never sleeps. Midjourney, David Holds. Now imagine typing a sentence and watching it turn into a breathtaking, ultra-realistic image. That's what Midjourney does. Created by David Holds, the co-founder of Leapmotion, Midjourney is an AI image generator that lives on Discord. You join the Midjourney server, type a command like, I imagine, followed by your description. For example, a man standing in front of a futuristic neon city skyline with glowing blue reflections on the street. And within seconds, you will see 4 stunning images that look like high-end photography. Midjourney isn't just a toy. Designers use it for concept art, thumbnail design, storyboards, and product visuals. Every image feels cinematic. You can almost feel the reflections, lighting, and atmosphere. You can choose to upscale the one you like, create variations, or refine it until it's perfect. For creators, it means you no longer need Photoshop skills to make professional images. If you run a YouTube channel, it can design your banner, thumbnails, and background visuals in minutes. For businesses, it can visualize products before they even exist. All you need is imagination and a few descriptive words. Runway ML. Cristobal Valenzuela. The next one takes things even further. Runway ML. Founded by Cristobal Valenzuela, Runway is a platform that allows anyone to create high-quality videos using AI. Imagine typing, a camera flying through a glowing digital city with energy streams and data particles. And Runway instantly generates a cinematic video clip that looks professionally produced. No camera, no lighting setup, no editing software. It's all powered by text prompts and deep learning models. But Runway isn't limited to text to video. You can also upload your own clips and use features like background removal, motion tracking, or object replacement, all with one click. It's used by filmmakers, YouTubers, and advertisers who want to save time and money while maintaining quality. Runway also integrates with other AI tools. You could create visuals in Midjourney, bring them into Runway, and animate them into a full scene. The potential is limitless. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike who want to turn ideas into moving, lifelike visuals. Jasper AI, Dave Rogan Moser. If you've ever struggled to write content that sounds engaging and natural, Jasper AI is your go-to. Founded by Dave Rogan Moser, Jasper is an advanced writing assistant designed for marketing, blogging, and social media. It's trained on real marketing copy, so when you ask it to write a product ad for a new AI tool, it doesn't just describe, it sells. The language feels human, energetic, and persuasive. Jasper has templates for blog posts, emails, website copy, and even YouTube video descriptions. When you log into Jasper AI, you choose your goal. For example, write a YouTube script introduction. Then, you fill in your topic, tone, and a few details. Within seconds, Jasper writes polished SEO-friendly content that sounds authentic. For creators who want to post daily or build an online brand, Jasper saves hours of writing time. The content it generates is optimized for clicks, engagement, and conversions. It's the kind of help every creator wishes they had, now available through AI. Pika Labs, Demian Marius. The last tool on this list brings imagination to motion. Pika Labs. Founded by Demian Marius, Pika lets you turn still images into dynamic video clips. You can upload an image, say a digital art piece of a man walking through a sci-fi street, and add a prompt like camera zooming in slowly with cinematic lighting and dust particles in the air. Pika will create a short, realistic animation that looks like a movie shot. It's one of the most innovative tools for creators who want to make short videos, intros, or visual stories without expensive animation software. You can combine your Midjourney images with Pika animations and create short films or YouTube intros that look fully cinematic. With every update, Pika Labs adds new styles, motion effects, and rendering features, making it one of the fastest-growing AI tools for visual storytelling. Now let's talk about how to actually use these tools to your advantage. The key is not just knowing they exist, it's understanding how to connect them. Start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Let's say you want to make a YouTube video about futuristic AI cities. Ask ChatGPT to write a concept or outline. Then, take that text to Midjourney and generate the visuals. Glowing city skylines, flying cars, digital billboards. Next, import those images into Runway ML to turn them into short motion clips. You can even use Jasper to write the video description and SEO tags for YouTube. Finally, use Pika Labs to add subtle motion and bring the entire story to life. In just a few hours, you've created something that would have taken a full production team a decade ago. These tools are not just about saving time, they're about unlocking creativity. Imagine students using them for projects, entrepreneurs using them for branding, or filmmakers turning their scripts into visuals overnight. ChatGPT helps you think, Jasper helps you express, Midjourney helps you visualize, Runway helps you produce, and Pika helps you animate. Each one is a piece of a creative ecosystem that's changing the world. So why is this important for you? Because AI isn't replacing creativity, it's enhancing it. The people who learn to use these tools now will be the ones leading in the next decade. You'll be faster, more flexible, and infinitely more creative. These aren't just tools, they're opportunities for new jobs, new businesses, and new ideas. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel, run a digital agency, or just explore your imagination, AI gives you the power to do it with no limits. The future is already happening. You can either watch it unfold or be part of it. Start small. Open ChatGPT and ask it a question. Generate one image in Midjourney. Create one clip in Runway. Each time you experiment, you'll discover a new side of creativity you never thought possible. In 2025, the difference between those who know AI and those who don't will be the difference between watching and leading. So dive in, explore, and let technology amplify your ideas. Because the next big creator, the next innovator, the next tech leader could be you.